Hi, myself KK Singh, GG Leader Agra. I'm a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. In the same sequence of Google Sheets, I'm here to talk about the new functions of Google Sheets that are SUMIF and SUMIFS. So, what is the difference between SUMIF and SUMIFs? SUMIFs and SUMIF. If single, ifs multiple conditions. So this is only difference between SUMIF and SUMIFs. So while using SUMIF, you will have to choose only one condition, and while applying SUMIFs, you may apply multiple conditions. So how to do this? We'll move to our Google Sheet. So here, this is the Google Sheet. SUMIF and SUMIFs is the title of this sheet, and I have taken the list of students: Ram, Ramesh, Arvind, their subjects and marks in the subjects, and this all. So I want to sum up the marks of a particular student. Suppose I want to sum up the marks of, say, Ram. Okay, so this is my criteria. I'm going to use SUMIF. So as I have told you, when you write any formula, you will have to write equal sign first, then the function name. SUMIF. Then it asks for range. What range you want to apply here to search this criteria or this criterion. My criterion is this cell D2. D2 cell is my criterion. I want to search this criterion within this range. Means A2 to A10. I want to search this criterion. So I am mentioning here. This is my range. I want to search the criterion, and my criterion is this. And what do you want to search? So sum range is, means what do you want to sum? So I want to sum up the values of Ram from this range. Okay, so I have selected the range and close the parenthesis, and as soon as I press enter key, I'll get the marks of Ram summed up. So marks of Ram, this is 56 plus 74 and 77. So 7, 4, 11, 11 and 6, 17. So 7 is here. 6, 13 and 7, 20. So this is the sum of Ram. And if I change this criterion, means I want to change from Ram to Ramesh, I'll get 222. Ramesh 68 plus 79 plus 75. So the output is 222. So on the basis of the criterion and the range, you can sum up the values for the given criterion. So my criterion is Ramesh here, and I wanted to sum up the values of the marks of Ramesh. So this is my first formula. Now I am going to apply multiple conditions I want to take. So what I am going to do here, I am going to insert a column. This is the column, and I am taking class here. 11th A, the 11th A, 11th B, 11th A, 11th B, and 11th A, 11th B, 11th B, and say 11th A. Okay, and my second criterion is, first criterion is Ramesh and second criterion is 11th A. Second criterion is 11th A. Now I have two criteria, Ramesh and 11th A. I want to sum up the marks of Ramesh of 11th A only. So I'm writing sum up here. Sum ifs equal sum ifs. Now this time this wants sum range. So my sum range is, this is just opposite to sum if. In the sum if, the sum range comes in the end, or the third column, or third parameter, but here the first parameter is sum range. So I am going to sum up the values of column C. So I have selected this column, comma. What I want to search? I want to search Ramesh in this range. So my first criterion is this range I want to take, and from this range I want to search Ramesh. Now the next criteria is range 2. Again, range 2, my criteria is this class, and my next criterion is 11th A. Now press enter key. Let's see, 68. 68 means Ramesh of 11th A. Ramesh of 11th A, this is 68. Ramesh of 11th B, Ramesh of 11th B. If I change this class 11th B, let's see what happens. Now this is 154. 11B Ramesh, 79 plus 75, so this is 154. So this way sum if works and sum ifs works. So there is a difference between sum if and sum ifs. So hope you understood the concept of the difference of sum if and sum ifs. If you have any issue, kindly send me a message in my description box. When I see your message, I'll try to give the reply to that query. And if you like the demonstration, kindly share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification as and when a new video is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.